Hey guys, it's me, Ivy. I finally got my Birchbox, my July Birchbox. I like towards the end of July. Um, and of course, I told you that I got my box and I showed you that I couldn't get in. Uh, they finally got back to me. 6 to 10 business days. I'm like, never do that. So they're fixing that situation. They've been having problems and stuff. Anyways, they got back to me, I think, like the beginning of August or so. Um, and I finally, in small print, it said, we recommend Google Chrome on your computer. I'm like my mind, you could have told me July 1st, but no. Probably did. I couldn't read it. But, anyways, I got that situated. I got a new password. I'm in. I'm good to go. And I just think towards the beginning of August or so, I I did my Birchbox for August. So that's gonna whenever they're gonna send me email saying it's being shipped, it's gonna be shipped. Anyways, I have to do a new way, and I'm not happy. So, anyways, I got a different color box, a purple. I had like three of them. Anyways, so this, of course, and this is the new thing. So I have to have it on my phone, which is kind of stupid, but whatever. We're just gonna get through it. Anyways, so the first thing is, oh, I'll show you. Oh, go scroll. There you go. Yeah, scroll. Scroll. Thank you. Anyways, I'll show you an example. You can't really see there. Here it shows why you two are a good match. Skincare, combination skin, under eye brightening, hydrating, and soothing sensation. Whatever. But it shows you recommendations and why this product is matched for you and stuff, which is cool. Okay. So this first product that I kind of showed you. So I'm like looking at like reviews and stuff. And good that I did. Because I'm like, why is this like this? Sealed. Shut like this. There is stuff in here. And I can barely feel it. Anyways. I can barely feel it. So I recommend to do not use this if you're getting a Birchbox or looking at the website and getting some products. I highly do not recommend this. You gotta scroll. Oh, that's what you're gonna give me? Okay, fine. I read reviews. Few people said they have the same exact thing. Um, Packages sealed like this, and they open it. It's dried out. There is the product inside. It's kind of cute. It's a little star, like shooting star. Sorry, I'm using my little finger. Shooting star, cute. But if you're gonna make a product, please don't do this, and please don't use salicylic acid in eye stuff like this, because we put this on your eyes. Anyways, they people say they burn their eyes. They even try them on, burn their eyes, irritate their eyes, make their eyes red. So yeah, but let's see. Wow, that's strong. Wow. Oh, still moist. Oh my god, they're so freaking thin. Dude. Oh, these are strong scented. And it has some moisture to it, but this is what they look like. They're very thin, very strong, like grandma's perfume. They're very thin. Of course, you can tell they're very thin. They're lightly wet, but they're so dried out. I'm not putting these under my eyes. I do not want to hurt my eyes. So yeah, just a heads up. I am disappointed. Not with Birchbox. Not with Birchbox. I'm just disappointed about this brand. And I was looking at the brand to see what else they have. That's the only thing they have. I'm surprised Birchbox even accept them with that kind of product. Anyways, I'm not going to tell you the full size because it's not worth it. Not worth to hurt your eyes and send you to ER. Anyways, moving on to the better products that works. So I have these my nighty patch for dark spots. I always want to try these. Not this type thing, but ones with acne that I see at like a Target and stuff. So the full size of this is $12.99. So that's that. I'm excited. It's cool to get like something full size. Okay, next this is so weird doing this way. Deep cleansing oil. I might try that out. Full size is $29. Next product. Of course, you already know. This is like my third one or so. I don't need any more. So if I do see this in my Birchbox for other months, I'm going to take this off and get something else because I don't need this. So I'll give that to my sister. Oh, anyways, the full size of that is $24. And the last product that I will definitely be using is this scrub. See, Brushworks. It's this buffer. It's kind of cute buffer. Full size is $4.20. So I'll just show you what this looks like. Oh, scissors. Oops, sorry. Sorry there. Where are you? Okay. Okay. So this is a nice size. It has a handle. Oh, nice stretch. Wow, that is super tight. But that's nice. It's very soft. But that's nice. Oh, wow. 1,380 trees have been planted from this collaboration with Birchbox. Oh my god, it's so cool. That's that. That is so cool. So here's that to help with growing trees and stuff. That's cool. That's a lot of trees. That's amazing. Anyways, I think that's it. Yes, that's it for my Birchbox and the digital way of telling you my products. Random. Anyways, yeah. I hope you guys like what I got. Exception of these that are going to trash. I'm sorry. They're really cute. They're really cute. I know it's an offense. They're really cute. I like the concept of like really like fancy and stuff. But if you're gonna do something, please don't do that. That is disgusting, and I feel sorry for the people that had their eyes under eyes hurt, and yeah. Anyways, that's my rant of that product and wonderful things I am gonna use. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. And yeah, it's just sad. That's the first having a product in my box that is hurting people. Anyways, I'm gonna go. I love you guys. Be safe. And yeah. Bye guys.